sustainability is a concept for a different model of living on the planet.
How do we create a material reality that allows us not just to enjoy the present, but also to leave something for future generations to come?
Every decision that we make ultimately has this ripple effect.
We have to change the way that we think about the world. We have to change the way that we design things in the world.
Designers and engineers make the things that we use to live life. And so I think it's about embedding the idea of sustainability in engineering so that it's ultimately synonymous.
Students want to learn more about sustainability. They want to understand how we can possibly address climate change.
Engineering for One Planet has a vision that sustainability will be a core tenet of the profession. So we're working to transform engineering education to equip all students with skill sets and mindsets to ensure that engineers are able to protect and improve our planet and our lives.
I think sustainability in general is the issue of our lifetime, and STEM graduates are going to be the ones that are really going to have to do the heavy lifting.
I prepare engineers for the professional world, and it is important that they are ready for the challenges.
So that sustainability becomes a way of thinking for them. It becomes like a habit for them in the way they approach all the innovation, development, coding.
Engineering for One Planet is transformative because it really embeds the principles of sustainability across all engineering disciplines, helps create engineers that know how to use those principles in creating the products and businesses of today and tomorrow.
EOP is bringing to the table everyone really that has a voice and an interest. So students are key, administrators, professors, but it's also very key to have industry there to showcase that there is a workforce need for this as well.
I think increasingly we're seeing industry having a demand for engineers who are specifically working in the area of sustainability. But we also recognize that we need everybody thinking about those kinds of design decisions with the sustainability mindset.
The EOP framework aligns really nicely with the concept of sustainable issues in our criteria, the items that students ought to be exposed to when they're undergraduate programs.
The EOP framework gives institutions, individual faculty members, a roadmap to start with to see pervasive transformation of the engineering curriculum.
Designing, engineering something is an innately hopeful and optimistic endeavor.
There is true power in enough people actually coming to the table with these are the tangible ways that we can change it to make this better.
Engineering for One Planet isn't just about changing courses, it's about changing the course of engineering.
I believe that in the future, what we call sustainable engineering is just going to be good engineering.